Hello, my name is Damon with AgX Presents Garden Product Reviews. We're going to be talking in this video about the Azomite Micronized Rock Flower Minerals. Get the label really close for you. So it's they say on the label to use for any gardens, home, and whatnot to remineralize depleted soils, which if things have been growing in any kind of soil, they've been depleted. If there's been erosion, whether water or wind or whatnot, or even just removing any material, like in lawns and whatnot, where we're constantly taking the grass away, even if you're cycling it back in, the minerals are going to go a long way. So it has application rates on the label, how much to apply to certain areas. And it's a product out of California, where most of the agriculture in the United States is based. Diversity-wise, I guess there's grains and corn up and down everywhere, and all the plants can benefit from having more minerals. Bugs have a harder time chewing leaves that are full of minerals. They have less interest in that. They're not as easy to get to bite into. So it's a somewhat of a full spectrum mineral source, and you can see I poured some in the glass. It's just really finely powdered. It really is like wheat flour or any kind of grain flour. Just a very light thing. Some people actually put it in capsules and eat it. Tastes a little chalky. It's not bad though. I hadn't tasted that before. So we're going to, that's sort of the base material for the formula we're going to be talking about. It's roughly a 5-part formula and water. So next we'll go into worm castings and then the mycorrhizae, and then we'll do the stump tea, and then we'll talk about water also. Alright, this is AgX Presents, and my name is Damon, and I'll see you in the next video.